Hello, welcome to our Startup Clinic webinar. I'm Abba Kashyap, and I'm thrilled to have you join us today. Alongside me are my partners Akash Kashyap and Arohi Kashyap. As entrepreneurs ourselves, we understand the numerous decisions and challenges that come with starting your own venture. Together, we're here to guide you through the maze of entrepreneurship, offering insights into crucial considerations that every aspiring business owner should keep in mind. Throughout our session, we'll cover a wide array of topics essential to your entrepreneurial journey. I'll kick things off by exploring the various business structures available and helping you navigate through the various options to find the one that aligns best with your vision and goals. Akash will be shedding light on the intricate world of immigration and the protection of intellectual property, while Arohi will delve into the realm of privacy laws and the importance of contracts in safeguarding your business interests. Additionally, I'll touch upon other aspects of becoming an entrepreneur, from managing finances to fostering a culture of innovation within your startup.
Thank you. I'll be delving into the intricate world of immigration and the protection of intellectual property. As entrepreneurs, we recognize the global nature of talent acquisition and the necessity of navigating immigration laws effectively. I'll be sharing insights into how you can overcome these challenges to build a diverse and skilled team for your startup. Additionally, I'll discuss strategies for safeguarding your intellectual property assets, ensuring that your innovations remain protected in an ever-evolving marketplace.
Building upon Akash's insights, I'll be addressing the crucial aspects of privacy laws that pertain to your business operations. Understanding and complying with these regulations are paramount in maintaining trust with your customers and avoiding legal pitfalls. Furthermore, I'll emphasize the importance of a well-crafted contract in defining relationships, mitigating risks, and fostering business growth. I will also shine a light on the importance of negotiation in these essential contracts.
We'll end with a discussion on a checklist of other important topics to consider, such as marketing, hiring employees, among others. Whether you're at the inception stage of your startup journey or just looking to refine your existing business practices, our goal today is to equip you with practical insights and actionable advice to thrive in the competitive world of entrepreneurship. After our discussion, we'll open the floor to your questions, so please feel free to jot down any queries that arise during the session. Let's embark on this journey together towards entrepreneurial success. Let's kick things off by exploring the distinct benefits of LLPs, LLCs, and corporations. Now, imagine you're starting a tech company focused on developing innovative software solutions. For tech startups like yours, forming a corporation could be advantageous. Corporations offer the ability to issue shares, making it easier to raise capital and attract investors who are eager to invest in promising tech ventures. This can lead to increased equity and funding opportunities, fueling your company's growth and expansion. Conversely, if you're a new lawyer starting your own practice, establishing an LLC or an LLP partnership could offer you personal liability protection while maintaining professional credibility. As we dive deeper, it's essential to understand the comparative advantages in terms of liability protection, tax benefits, and investor attraction. For tech startups, forming a corporation provides robust liability protection and the potential for substantial investment through the sale of shares. Additionally, corporations offer the flexibility to attract top talent by offering stock options and equity incentives. This can be a powerful tool for recruiting skilled employees who are motivated by the opportunity to share in the company's success. Conversely, for lawyers starting their own practice, forming an LLC or LLP can provide personal liability protection while offering simplicity in tax filing and management structure. You should also assess industry-specific risks, understanding the potential legal liabilities for your business and what your business may face. For tech startups, This may include protecting your intellectual property rights or mitigating cybersecurity risks. For lawyers, it could mean assessing malpractice risks and compliance with ethical regulations. Evaluating financial needs means considering how much capital your business requires to start and grow. If you're a tech startup seeking venture capital funding, a corporate structure might be more appealing due to its ability to issue shares and attract investors. For new lawyers, it might involve evaluating the initial investment required to set up your practice and cover operating expenses. Outlining long-term growth plans involves thinking about where you see your business in the future and how you plan to expand. Remember, the structure you choose isn't just about compliance. It's about setting the stage for your startup's success. Now that we've gained a solid understanding of various business structures, let's delve into another critical aspect of entrepreneurship: intellectual property rights. I'm thrilled to hand over the reins to Akash as he navigates us through this intricate domain. We will see how protecting your ideas and innovations can safeguard your startup's success.
Trademarks protect your company's identity, shielding its distinctive features from imitation and confusion in the marketplace. Trademarks can take various forms encompassing words, symbols, images, and designs, or combinations thereof that define the essence of your brand. They play a pivotal role in differentiating your products and services, fostering brand loyalty, and nurturing consumer trust. For small businesses, trademarks are indispensable and offer multifaceted advantages beyond legal protection. They're powerful tools for building brand recognition, facilitating consumer engagement, and establishing a unique market presence. By securing exclusive rights to use your marks, trademarks empower your business to cultivate its identity and maintain a competitive edge in your industry. But it's important to prepare your mark before you use it. Conduct a trademark search to ensure that your mark is not already in use. Otherwise, you risk potential legal disputes and infringement claims. While common law rights afford some level of protection on actually using a mark, formal registration with relevant government authorities confers significant advantages. In the US, for instance, registration with the United States Patent and Trademark Office offers nationwide protection and establishes a presumption of ownership and validity. This proactive step fortifies the enforceability of your rights and bolsters your ability to combat infringement effectively. Moving beyond trademarks, copyrights constitute another cornerstone of intellectual property protection for businesses that are engaged in creative endeavors. Copyrights safeguard original works of authorship that range from literary compositions and artistic creations to musical compositions and architectural designs. In today's digital age, copyrights have extended to encompass software code and digital content, reflecting the evolving landscape of creative expression. Full copyright protection is often automatic on the creation of your work and offers inherent safeguards against unauthorized use and reproduction. Nevertheless, formal registration with government bodies such as the U.S. Copyright Office enhances your legal protections and makes it easier to pursue remedies for infringement.
Thank you, Akash. With a clear understanding of intellectual property rights, let's pivot our focus to another fundamental element of startup operations: contracts. Arohi will guide us through the importance of contracts in shaping and safeguarding your business endeavors. We will explore how well-crafted contracts can lay the groundwork for robust business relationships and mitigate potential risks.
We're diving into a critical aspect of running a successful startup: contracts. In the dynamic world of business, every interaction, every transaction is governed by contracts, whether it's with customers, vendors, suppliers, software companies, payment gateways. Contracts play a pivotal role in shaping the trajectory of your startup. Let's explore why mastering contracts is essential for your journey. At its core, a startup operates on transactions, agreements made with various parties to enable your business activities. But contracts are more than just legal documents. They're the foundation upon which your business relationships are built and sustained. Contracts help govern the relationship between parties involved while also providing a roadmap to a successful business transaction. Now, given the fast-paced startup environment, it's easy to focus on short-term gains. A deal needs to be made quickly, and we need to move on to bigger and better things. Absolutely. However, playing the long game when it comes to contracts is crucial. Contracts not only govern these relationships, but also provide a roadmap for navigating potential challenges. More than just outlining terms and conditions, contracts serve as a powerful risk management tool. They prepare you for the worst case scenarios and provide clarity on rights, obligations, and remedies in cases of a dispute. Consider this. Everything starts with a contract. If you're seeking investment, you'll first sign a non-disclosure agreement, followed by a letter of intent, then your investment instrument, such as a share purchase agreement, shareholder agreement, convertible notes, safes. Let's explore some common examples of contracts used in your startups. Some examples of startup contracts include software as a service agreements, SaaS, crucial for tech startups offering cloud-based services. Investor agreements are vital for securing funding and outlining terms of investment. Master service agreements, MSAs, establish the terms of services between a business and its clients, while non-disclosure agreements, NDAs, protect sensitive information during discussions with potential partners or investors. These are just a few examples of the plethora of contracts that startups navigate on their journey to success. As we conclude, I encourage you to share questions and experiences with contracts in your startup operations. Whether you're just starting out, looking to refine your contract management processes, our goal is to provide clarity and guidance tailored to your needs. Let's harness the power of contracts to build a stronger foundation for your startup success.
Thank you so much, Arohi. Having discussed the significance of contracts, let's shift our attention to another vital aspect of startup management, immigration. Akash will lead us through the complexities of immigration considerations for startups. Let's explore how navigating immigration laws and regulations is essential for startups seeking to build diverse and talented teams.
When it comes to immigration law, an entrepreneur's best friends are the H-1B and the L-1 visa categories. The H-1B visa helps secure the talent of highly skilled workers that require advanced degrees for their position, while the L-1 visa helps transfer foreign workers from affiliated companies into your U.S. company. Now, the L-1 is further divided into the L-1A for executive or managerial employees and the L-1B for technical or skilled employees. The process for each involves 3 steps: pre-petition, petition, and application. The pre-petition phase involves preparing your company and your operations for the visa process. This can involve labor certification, FEIN registration, and pre-registration. Next comes the petition phase, where you demonstrate the validity of your U.S. company as a sponsor and employer for the H-1B or L-1 categories. Finally, once the petition is approved, your employee must undertake the application process themselves, where they demonstrate that they meet the criterion of an employee for your position and are not otherwise inadmissible. You may also be looking at retaining your foreign talent past the limitations of these visas through sponsoring EB-2 or EB-3 green card applications, which is a major incentive for foreign workers. These involve sponsoring your employee through a change of status process, after which your employee will be placed on the waiting list for each year's issued visa numbers. When their number comes up, which may be 5 to 40 years depending on the circumstances, they can apply for their green card and, eventually, citizenship. Of course, these aren't the only options available to you. There are many types of visa that may satisfy your individual requirements. For large-scale investors, an EB-5 option is available, whereas employees of outstanding skill and ability can seek an O or an EB-1 visa as well. Worker type can also make a difference, as performers, religious workers, medical staff, and other different classes of staff each have their own unique paths to the U.S.
Thank you, Akash. With immigration considerations in mind, now let's turn our focus to another pressing concern for startups: data privacy. Arohi will shed light on the importance of safeguarding user data and complying with privacy regulations. We will see how prioritizing data privacy can enhance trust, credibility, and long-term success for startups in today's digital landscape.
Today, we're delving into a crucial aspect of modern business: data privacy. In an era dominated by digital transactions and online interactions, respecting and protecting user data isn't just good practice, it's essential for long-term success and growth of your startup. Let's explore why data privacy matters now more than ever. In recent years, we've witnessed an unprecedented growth in the volume of transactions involving data transfer. From acquiring client information to hiring vendors and support software to engaging payment gateways, companies, regardless of their size, are heavily reliant on data transfer. Unfortunately, access to legal guidance in the realm of data privacy has traditionally been reserved for larger, more established companies. However, the truth is, data privacy protections are equally crucial for startups. Not only do they prevent unauthorized access to data, but they also play a pivotal role in building trust and enhancing customer relationships. In a nutshell, data privacy compliance manages the relationship between the customers, your data subjects, the company providing the services, the data controller, and the contractors you hire to analyze that data, processors. As a startup, it's vital to understand your obligations and responsibilities within this framework. This includes implementing measures like data privacy policies, data breach management mechanisms, data processing agreements, DPAs, privacy policies, and data usage monitoring. Now let's break some of these key measures down that you should be taking to ensure data privacy compliance within your startup. First and foremost, establish a robust data privacy policy that outlines how you collect, store, and use customer data. Additionally, implement data breach management mechanisms that swiftly respond and mitigate any breaches that may occur. Ensure that your DPAs are in place with any third-party vendors or any contractors that handle data or could potentially handle data. And don't forget about your privacy policies that transparently communicate to your customer how you use their data. Finally, consider implementing data usage monitoring tools to track and analyze how data is being used within your organization.
Thank you, Arohi. Now that we've covered the essentials of data privacy, let's broaden the scope to encompass other crucial topics that every entrepreneur should consider. Let's explore how these facets intertwine to shape the trajectory of startup ventures. Now that we've delved into the intricacies of business structures, intellectual property rights, contracts, immigration, and data privacy, it's time to shift our focus to other vital aspects of startup management. Let's explore 4 key topics that every entrepreneur should consider on their journey to success. Hiring the right personnel, marketing your service and product ethically, leveraging technology for increased efficiency and customer relationship management, and finally, managing finances to ensure sustainable growth. Topic 1. Hiring the right personnel. First and foremost, let's discuss the importance of hiring the right personnel for your startup. Your team is the backbone of your venture, and having the right talent on board can make all the difference. From technical expertise to cultural fit, each hire plays a crucial role in shaping your company's trajectory and success. Topic 2. Marketing your service or product ethically. As entrepreneurs, it's essential to market our product or services effectively while also adhering to ethical guidelines, especially for legal professionals. Marketing within the ethical boundaries ensures that we build trust and credibility with our target audience. By communicating our value proposition authentically and transparently, we can attract and retain loyal customers or clients. Topic 3. leveraging technology for increased efficiency and customer relationship management. In today's digital age, leveraging technology is no longer optional. It's imperative for staying competitive. By embracing automation, data analytics, and customer relationship management tools, startups can increase output, streamline processes, and enhance the overall customer experience. Technology empowers us to optimize operations and scale our ventures effectively. Topic 4, managing finances for sustainable growth. Finally, let's discuss the importance of financial management in ensuring the sustainable growth of your venture. From budgeting and forecasting to securing funding and managing cash flow, sound financial practices are essential for navigating the ups and the downs of entrepreneurship. By prioritizing financial stability and planning for growth, startups can set themselves up for long-term success.
As we conclude today's session, we're already looking forward to our next webinar together. The journey of entrepreneurship is a continuous learning process, and we are committed to providing you with guidance and support that you need to thrive in your ventures. Thank you, and let's keep the entrepreneurship spirit alive, onward and upward.